Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about operation and maintenance of farm tools. But before we discuss the main topic, let us begin with the short introduction about the subject.
Farm tools are used in the farm to aid as farm work, thereby making it easy. Such equipment include cutlass, wheelbarrow, hoe, shovel, and axe. The pickaxe are made up of a long wooden handle with a double-headed thick metal blade that is attached to the handle through a loop. By taking proper care of farming tools, you are extending the life of each tool. Regular maintenance also ensures that each works more efficiently. When tools are in proper condition, they can get the job done faster.
So farm tools are used in the farm to aid us farm work, thereby making it easy. When it comes to operation and maintenance, we have to practice on how to operate the tools or equipment properly. Your farm tools and equipment will last longer when you maintain them by taking proper care of farming tools, meaning you are extending the life of each tool. So now, let us continue to the main topic. Ms. Romelyn Felizmino will discuss the definition of agricultural mechanization.
Hello everyone, I'm Romelyn Felizmino, the discussant for today. So the topic that I will going to discuss is about agricultural mechanization. So first, let's define what agricultural mechanization means. Agricultural mechanization can be defined as a process by which human labor along the entire agricultural value chain is replaced by other sources of energy, such as animal power, fossil energy, or renewable energy. So, agricultural mechanization is using different machineries in the operation of our agricultural area or farm. Just like we used combine harvester, rotavator, cultivator, power tiller, and more, in which these machineries are very helpful in making work easier in the farm. Agricultural mechanization is a term used in a very huge sense. It is not only about the use of machinery, whether small or large, mobile or immobile, run by power or not, used for tillage operation or harvesting or thrashing, but it can also be used for various purposes in agriculture like irrigation, haulage, production, processing machinery, and etc. Farm mechanization helps not only improving the farmer's economic condition and the way of living, but also helps increasing productivity and efficiency.
Good day everyone, I'm Andres Tabaya Estiller and I will discuss the relation of agricultural mechanization to operation and maintenance of farm tools. Farm tools play a very important role in agricultural operation. Their availability makes the work much easier and faster. In order to agricultural operation successfully, one must have a good working knowledge of the tools, implements, and equipments before using them. However, even if may one have the most sophisticated tools and implements but does not know how to use them, they are useless. This application of tools implements the machinery in order to achieve agricultural production. These can all be operated by manual, animal, or engine, fossil fuels, or electric power. Essentially, agricultural mechanization presents technological change through the adoption of non-human source of power to undertake agricultural operation. When tools are in proper condition, they can get the job done faster. When you properly care to your farm tools and equipment, you reduce the risk of injury to the operator. Regular maintenance reduces the cost of maintenance down the road.
Good day everyone, my name is Irish Priest Inahi Pabilyaran and I'm going to discuss the problems and challenges in agricultural production related to farm mechanization regarding operation and maintenance of farm tools. These are the problems and challenges in agricultural production in the Philippines related to farm mechanization regarding operation and maintenance of farm tools. The main problem facing our farmers when it comes to the operation and maintenance of farm tools is the financial inability of small farmers. Given that the income level of farmers is low, it is hard for them to maintain the equipment or tools. Based on the information we gathered by interviewing some of our local farmers, a lack of money for maintenance on machines that need repair is a problem. It may affect farm mechanization because farm mechanization implies the use of mechanical technology in the varied farming operations. And what are those? Like sowing, harvesting, leveling, and watering. The high cost of equipment rank first in the Philippines. High repair and maintenance costs are causes of the financial inability of small farmers. The next issue or problem is the lack of skilled and trained employees like mechanical. Farmers must also be trained so that they can operate and maintain the farm tools well. I must say, training programs might be helpful and it is indeed needed for farm mechanization. I would like to call Ms. Laila Escota to continue to discuss this specific problem.
I'm Leila Gracial R. Escota discussing problems and challenges in agricultural production in the Philippines related to farm mechanization, particularly regarding operation and maintenance of farm tools. Lack of trained and skilled employees. Better training means better process. Tasks can be performed far quicker if employees know what they're doing, and quality of the work will also improve. Employees lacking in knowledge and skills are more likely to have an accident in the workplace. Training helps to eliminate this as a cause. Employees must be trained and skilled in order to perform their jobs effectively, as some employees are capable of repairing machines but lack of knowledge to do so. Without training, it will be more difficult for them to repair broken machines immediately. They will have to visit to a repair shop and pay for it. However, if all employees know how to handle it, there will be no expenses.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria Donna Camara Bolso from BAT 1B. First problems that the farmer encounter is the limited access to credit and agricultural insurance. So many of our local farmers do not have proper access to credit and agricultural insurance. Therefore, some of them find it difficult to sustain the need in their farm. Government have a comparative advantage in providing information to help the farmers to identify the right price for their product. So the next one is poverty. So most of the farmers are poor and cannot afford to buy or own farm machineries. Therefore, they don't have the access to have big machineries that they can use to easy farming. Majority of our local farmers are poor with low education, vulnerable to physical and economic risk, and financially stressed with zero savings or in debt. The next is climate change. It is an important challenge as it adverse impacts such as increased flooding incidents, drought, soil degradation, water shortage, and increased pests and diseases, constantly threaten agricultural output and productivity.
So next problem is utilization of technology. Some farmers do not invest too much on technology, therefore manual labor is still prominent in food production. So meaning to say, because of financial problem or maybe because of lack of trained people in operating some machinery or farm tools, they are still using manual labor. But the advantage of manual labor is that plants can be assessed for quality and maturity by the worker at the point of harvest, and it is common for crops to be produced for multiple customers with differing quality specification.
Hello, good day everyone. My name is Enrico G. Siliado from BAT 1B, and I am the discussant for today. So, I'm going to discuss every problem identified and relate in the subject ABE2, Operation and Maintenance of Farm Tools. And this is the problem: lack of skilled and trained employees. From smart to skillful, a group need a large number of people, especially when it comes to the operation and maintenance of farm equipment. So, ang kakulangan ng manggagawa na marunong magkumpuni ng mga sira ng equipment ay maaaring magsanhi ng pagkakaantala ng pag-aani. Kaya sobrang mahirap kung kulang tayo sa mga tao. Isa pa dito, ang lubhang kailangan natin ay ang taong marunong mag-drive o magpatakbo ng mga makinang ito. Dahil kung kulang tayo sa tao, walang makakapagpatakbo ng mga makinang ito. Operation and maintenance subject is very important for us to study because we will learn how to take care of farm tools and equipment. Especially when the time comes, we'll be one of the farmers. When this day, we'll be ready to face our real problems.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Jardy Ingera from Bat1B. I'm going to discuss every problem identified and relate in the subject AB2, Operation and Maintenance of Farm Tools. And this is my problem I'm going to relate. The problem is maintenance or financial. Damaging tools may also affect your livelihood. Paano nga ba ito ma-relate sa ating subject na maintenance or financial? Una, para sa akin, ang word na operation. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng financial upang makapag-operate tayo ng mabuti lalo na sa mga tools na gagamitin. Siyempre, kailangan natin bumili ng mga tools upang makapag-operate. Hindi tayo makakabili kung kulang tayo sa financial. Isa pa dito, ang pag-maintain natin ng mga tools. Siyempre, may mga kailangan tayong bilhin sa pag-maintain. Kapag kulang naman tayo sa financial, hindi natin ito mamimaintain ng maayos at baka masira. And siyempre, baka hindi ito umabot sa kanilang hangganan kung hindi natin ito aayusin ng mabuti. Kaya napaka-importante talaga ng financial dito sa operation and maintenance of farm tools sa subject namin na AB2.
That's all our presentation. Remember guys, the role of maintenance in agriculture is to ensure farm equipment operates when it's needed. Make sure that your tools are properly stored, cleaned, and well maintained. Make sure they are still perform their function for farming because your farm is useless if your tools are broken. So maintain your farm tools like on how you maintain your relationship.